How to fix disabled accounts can be contacted problem on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Instagram application. Then go to the chat. If the person has disabled or deactivated their Instagram account, then there is no way that you can contact them on that same particular account. You will have to find other alternatives. But if that is not the case, but the problem is still showing, what you will have to do is tap and hold on the person or go to the profile icon of them and then restrict them. After restricting, unrestrict them and then see if the problem fixes. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.